Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Zapier notifications from project apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable Zapier notifications from your project apps, first, log into your Zapier account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your existing Zaps. Choose the Zap that is generating notifications you wish to disable. Click on the Zap to open its details. In the Zap editor, locate the action that triggers the notifications. Click on the action step to access its settings. Look for notification options related to the action step. Depending on your app integration, you may find a checkbox that says Send Notification or similar. Uncheck the box to disable notifications from this particular action. After making the change, scroll to the bottom of the editor. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. Next, return to the dashboard and check for any other Zaps that may have notifications. Repeat the same process for each Zap as necessary. If you want to mute notifications across all Zaps, go to your account settings. In the settings, look for the Notifications tab. Here, you can disable email notifications or any other type of alert. Once you adjust these settings, ensure you save any changes. To confirm the changes were successful, revisit a few Zaps and check notification settings. That's how you disable Zapier notifications from your project apps effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.